What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $100 plus an hour in free PayPal money. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this method. Now, please guys, follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to get my followers up to 500 followers. I'm at 295 right now. So help a brother out. Go over there and follow me at AppGrind. That's my username, at AppGrind on Instagram. And you can DM me by, just when you DM me, just put the grind is real. So I know that you are part of the grind family here on YouTube. Okay guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because it's going to be some steps you're going to take, and I don't want you to miss out on making this money. All right, now without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over to the site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, guys, I'm at this website, and the name of it is called Respondent. So it says here, get paid to help cutting edge projects come to life. Respondent is the best place to leverage your professional expertise for paid research interviews. And you'll click here to sign up. So let's scroll down and read a little bit more. So it says our researchers are looking for business professionals of all kinds. Like, see right here, software developers. Average hourly incentive is $200, guys. So if you know anything about software, you can get this research job right here. Probably going to take maybe 30-40 minutes to do, and you're going to get paid $200. And here's one enterprise software users, $150 an hour. Marketer, it's $150 an hour. Business owners, $500. Executives, $7. Sales and support is $100. So how it works is you're going to verify your profile. So you're going to create a profile and verify your employment using your work email. Then the next thing you're going to do is get matched. So our match algorithm will send you research studies that fit your profile. You can also browse projects to participate in. So guys, when you sign up and do your profile, you got to make sure you put what you can do, the skills that you do that you're good at, so they can match you up. And then the next thing you're going to do is participate. When you interview a study, you will be able to select a time that fits your schedule. So you can do it at any time, guys. You'll be able to set your own schedules. Now, it's no 9 to 5 type of thing like a regular job. And then you're going to get paid. Afterwards, You get paid automatically via PayPal. So you got to have a PayPal account, guys. It's very easy to sign up for a PayPal account. You just go to paypal.com. Go ahead and register with that PayPal account so you can get paid. So it says respondents only collects a 5% fulfillment fee on the incentive paid. So guys, if you get a study that you're going to go ahead and participate in and it's going to be paid $100, they're going to get 5% of that. You probably going to get like what, $95. So that's still good, guys, still good, because if you get one that's over $100, maybe $200, you're going to get, you're still going to get over $100 something. And let's scroll down here and learn a little bit more. So earn money referring friends and colleagues. So you can also earn money referring friends. So you're going to be making money two ways. One way, you're going to be doing a little work for like 30 minutes, helping a business owner on here through a study. And then you're going to be able to refer friends and get paid like that. That'll be passive income right there, guys. So really, that's it. They say, hey, start today. You can start today and start making that money. It's real easy to sign up, and whatever expertise you got in that you have, for a software or something like that, guys, you're going to get paid some good money. All right. Now, if you want to learn more about this, just come to this site. It's respondent.io. And, before you sign up, if you're still a little bit skeptical, just come down here where it says frequently asked questions. Click on that, and you can learn anything else you want to know about this website. But I've talked about this website before in the past, so I'm not going to stay too long on this website because I have talked about it in the past, and I went ahead and touched on the key elements of this website. And guys, this is a way to get some good money, so you need to start on this. Again, go to respondent.io to get started. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It's going to help out my channel, guys, if you just give me a like and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this video. And please type the code word that's going to pop up in this video somewhere and type that down in the comments so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. It's time, guys. Stop messing around. Stop playing around. It's time to become your own boss and be financially free in 2020. All right, guys. Hey, I'm gonna start doing some more shout outs. So drop a creative comment down below, and also with the code word, and I'll shout you out. If you have a small channel, I have a small channel too, but if you really don't even have 1,000 subscribers, I can help you out. I'll shout out your name, tell everybody go to your channel, check everything out, subscribe, and guys, you'll be on your way to 1,000 subscribers. All right, guys, one more thing before I go. I have another channel. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. Go over there, subscribe. I'll talk about increasing your finances and help you with personal development, because you're going to need personal development if you want to be successful, guys. You can't just learn how to make money and not work on yourself to be successful. And I also have a podcast show. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. It's the same name, Hustle, Grind, and Grow Show. So go listen over there. I talk about strategies, tips on how to increase your finance, and also personal development. And in the near future, I'm going to start interviewing successful entrepreneurs. But I need you guys to go listen. Let's run these numbers up on that podcast show. The more numbers I get, the more people will be interested and get interviewed on there so we can learn from these successful entrepreneurs out there. Okay, I've talked enough. Thanks again for tuning in. Before you go, make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace, and have a prosperous day.
Get your grind on.